Hey guys, what's up? Eric Roberts, and this is Spring Hill Youth Glorious Day Capo 4 Strum Along for guitar, piano, drums, bass. Any of you guys who are playing with me, we're doing this. This is a simple arrangement that you can play and practice with me this week. Also, if you're not in the Spring Hill Youth, go to worshiptheking.com, play and sing songbooks. You can get my charts and strum alongs. But hey, this is going to be a very simple song. At the end, I'm going to show you guys the... And that's what I do on electric guitar, and I'll show you some of the strumming patterns. Let's do this song. And I was buried beneath my shame, and who could carry that kind of weight? It was my tomb till I met you. I was breathing, and I was breathing, but not alive. And all my failures I tried to hide. It was my tomb till I met you. You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. Down, 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 down. Now your mercy has saved my soul, and now your freedom is all that I know. The old made new, Jesus, when I met you, you called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. Okay, we'll palm mute this and get kind of soft like. I needed rescue, my sin was heavy, the chains break at the weight of your glory. I needed shelter, I was an orphan, now you called me a citizen of heaven. When I was broken, you were my healing, now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future, my eyes are open, 'cause when you call my name, I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness into your glorious day. Da, 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 da. All right, I did the vocal guitar. I did the vocal mouth lead, okay? One thing I want to say that you're just palm muting down on the verse. I needed rescue. Well, that's the bridge, but anyway, you're just going, I was buried beneath. Just the top couple strings, palm muting. Okay, and then you open it up, and then on the chorus, you call my name, and I ran out like 1, 2, That's a syncopated pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's the rhythm of this. You called my name and I ran out of there. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 1 out of the darkness. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. You called my name and I ran out of there. 2 and so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all downs. I do teach these patterns in other videos, but 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 anda. Okay, so ticka on anda, ticka on anda, and then on the bridge. This is a hard part to do, but this is how we do it. It's like it goes, when I was broken, you were my healer. Now, okay, so how we count that is we go, I needed rescue, my sin was heavy. Okay, you do all that, and then when it gets to when I was broken, it goes 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you pick it up on I have a future. I have a future, my eyes are open deep when you call my C, 2, 3, 4, off. Okay, so I'll do that bridge one more time because that is the part even messes up a lot of bands, not even just us in the Spring Hill Youth Band. It messes up a lot of bands. You got to get that rhythm down. When I was broken, it goes like, when I was broken, you were my healing. Now your love is the air that I'm breathing. I have a future, my eyes are open. 'Cause when you call my C, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on this capo, if I was playing electric guitar on this, or even acoustic, I would do the 12th fret B. That's basically just what. So it's 12, 11, and then 13, 11, 13, 11. That's a pull off. If you can just get that first part. And if you're brave, you can play it. You call my name, and I ran out of that grave. Out of the darkness, into your glorious day. You got another player, you can do it. You can do that. So that's what I would do on electric. I would actually play that, and then jump up that, and jump up. I'd play like a rhythm. It goes up higher there. All right, so that's the part. Not you guys aren't really doing that. I'm doing the leads right now, but if you want to do the leads, just learn that little lick and then play along with us. God bless you. Hey, if you want the charts and not in Church of Spring Hill, not all you guys out there in YouTube land are in the Church of Spring Hill Youth Band, so you can always get these charts in the Play and Sing songbooks and strum right along with me. God bless you. Give the video a like, share, and subscribe it to the channel if you like what you see.